How to book appointment for USA visa online. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for US visa appointment, and after that type the country from where you want this particular application, and after that you can just simply scroll down and you will be able to find the option of apply for US visa. Just simply open it up and this is where it will take you. Now when you scroll down, you will be able to find the alphabetical order over here. Now select any of the alphabetical order according to your country. In this video I'm taking example of India, so I will just select I over here and click on the option of plus and it will expand. Now all the countries with initials of I will open up over here. Then I will just simply open up India and go to the link, and over here just select the visa category that you are looking for. So I will just select the visa category, and over here there is an important notice. It is about that there is some cyclone, so the meetings has been cancelled at one of the place, not all the places, so we will just close it up. Now just simply log into your account. For that just click on login and wait for it to load. Then use your username and password in order to log in and apply. In case if you are new to this, just simply click on this option of sign up. After that, create an account for that, and after creating your account you will be able to apply. And when you log into your account, you will be able to see the option of visas, where you will be able to see there are different visas over there, and just select the kind of visa that you are looking for. Like there are different visas, and you can also see the fee for each visa. In the second step, you can complete your application and pay the fee. After that, you will be able to schedule the appointment, and after attending the interview you will be able to track your passport. And this is the process to book the appointment for US visa. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.